We will do the following steps. We install Laravel Passport in Out project. Then set up Postman. Once done, we shall configure controller and successfully hit API. Ready? Go to website and copy composer command. Run the command in terminal and wait for installation to finish. Migrate passport tables with migrate command. This will create a few tables in your database. Then install passport keys. This will generate key files and entries in database for auth. Carefully modify existing user model as shown. Focus on passport has API token line. Now modify config auth file and add keys in guard section as shown. Last step, run passport keys command if needed. It's time to set up Postman at this step. Create a new collection as shown and test an API accordingly to check. As expert advice, watch carefully on this step. We can set up global variables for our collection. It can be used for each request we made within collection. The API call says 404 error. It is expected because we have to create a URL in our api.php file. As we now have a proper entry in api.php file, we shall create a test controller with artisan command. In the TestController file, create an index function and return a simple hello world for testing. Expert advice: if your root is not working, clear root cache by running artisan root clear command. Watch carefully, root and global variables must have 8000 port attached. Run the artisan serve command to start listening on port. Then test again properly with Postman. I am happy that you successfully made it on your own this far. All 4 steps are done. But this is the base of another lesson in our next video. Authorization in Laravel project. Click on the card if appear, or check the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.